So this is my new to me 323i BMW, aka the E36. And I'm gonna show you everything that's wrong with it right now. First thing that's wrong with it, as you can see, faded clear coat. We'll be painting soon. Other thing is, right here, the soft top, I need to order a new one. All the trim pieces are already here, but I have to put it all back together. Faded again over here. This doesn't close. And there's a whole bunch of spiders in here. So I'm gonna go to Walmart, get a couple little, my freaking camera died. I was gonna say, what I'm gonna do is go to Walmart and go get myself like a little bomb for like to kill spiders. And I'll be back and I'll record that. So I went to Walmart and I got this right here, this fogger that kills roaches, fleas, ants, and spiders, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, this comes with three of them. I'm gonna use 2 in the front and then 1 in the freaking trunk. And after I'm done with that, I'm gonna use these bad boys. We have the odor eliminator over here that has a new car scent because it smells like freaking dog piss in there or something. But after this is done, I'm gonna take off some of the interior pieces, clean it all up, vacuum everything, and then I'm gonna use these, which is one of these. I got 2 of these. I got some air fresheners, new car scent, and I got these air fresheners as well that go under the seat. Like I said, it smells like straight dog piss in there. So I don't know what it smells like. It smells like just piss. I don't know whose piss it is, but it smells like fucking piss in there. And I'm gonna go eliminate that bad boy right now. I'm gonna start with these, and then later on do that after I clean the interior. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna put one in the front, in the cup holder. I don't want no spider to get on me. I'm gonna do this quick, all right? I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna do it. Ready, set, go. What the fuck? And then I'm gonna do this one in the back, over here. Now we wait, what is it, 2 hours they said? Wait 2 hours, come back, clean the interior, and then use the other bomb to make it smell good. So see you in 2 hours. So I was gonna turn on the car and have the AC running so it go through all the vents and stuff nicely. So if there is spiders in there, it'll get killed as well. But the thing is, I wasn't gonna leave it running for freaking 2 hours. So hopefully it goes in there in the vents. Pretty sure it'll go in there. And yeah, let's just wait those 2 hours and see what happens. After that, take out the interior, the seats, the front and back, maybe the door panels, and clean all of that. Make it all beautiful. And then we're gonna use these bad boys. So what I'm gonna do right now is clean the rear right now. Hold on, let me put this up. I'm gonna clean the rear. I got the little vacuum, microfibers, leather cleaner, even though the leather is dog shit in the front, and have this cleaning wipes I'm gonna clean the whole dash with. But I'm gonna try to remove all like the little gunk like this and all that gunk over there. Yikes. So I'll record whenever I'm done. So this is how the interior came out. It's just a little bit shinier. A little bit of things came off, but those stains do not want to come out, or that especially. So I might just be painting everything that's like this light gray black. So this black, that whole thing black, the whole seats in the back black. Change these for black seats. That over there and the door cards in the middle, that light gray, black, and yeah, make it look nicer. But I'm about to just bomb the car right now with this air freshener, and hopefully this dog piss scent will come off. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll let you know how that goes in a couple minutes. It says to put the AC on and just let it cycle through, so I'm gonna put it right here, so it'll be the inside air only. And we're about to do it right. I got 2 of these, so I'm gonna use this one first and then the next one after. What? There you go. Beautiful. Smells good already. All right, it's getting a little bit dark, but here's the second one. It already smells mad good in here, but might as well just use it since I already paid for it. So get in there. What? Let it cycle, and I'm gonna close the door. All right, so the interior is all good here, as good as it's gonna be. I did the bug spray. I cleaned it the best I can. Obviously, it's all fucked up and shit, but it is what it is. The little panel right there is for the bottom. We had to do something, but this company hit me up a while ago for these LEDs. I think it's called Auxito, but we're gonna install them. We're gonna show you the before and after. I'm gonna leave one stock and one with these and show you the difference. This is what it comes. It comes with some gloves. Okay, fancy. Fancy, my boy. It comes with a little instruction manual, even though you don't need it. It comes with these. Beautiful looking shit, look diesel, to be honest. Got a little fan and everything. So I'm gonna plug one of these in and show you like the left one, the right one stock and the left one with one of these. And I'm gonna turn off all the lights here and show you how it looks. So it's obviously plug and play. I don't have to explain how to do this. Look, it's literally you take it off and you plug it in. So I'm gonna go do that and I'm gonna show you how it looks after. All right, so we got the LED on this one and the stock one on this one over here. But the headlights are a little foggy, so, you know, it's not gonna be the best. Jesus Christ. There's the difference, all right? God damn, it looks freaking even bigger in the freaking camera. I'm gonna show you with the lights off. Go ahead and turn off the lights. God damn. Damn, brother. Let me see how it looks right here. Like I said, the housings of the lights are a little fogged up, but it still shines way brighter than those OEM shits. So I'm gonna install the other one on that side, and that's it, I guess. Lights on. I am gonna buy the high beams as well with this brand. So yeah, let me go connect that one to this one and show you after. We swap the other side. This is how it looks. Turn off the light on me real quick for your boy. Look at that bad boy, looking gorgeous. I would recommend them. They're pretty cheap. I'll list them in the link below. If you guys want it, cop it. I get no money out of this. See how long these LEDs will last, and I'll let you guys know if they end up messing up or anything. So I think they're good. If you guys want them, they'll be in the description down below. If you guys want to cop it, go ahead and cop it. And yeah. All right, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted to show you the car that I got. I also forgot to mention this. The car has a little wiggle on the drive. What is it called? On the what? What is it called? The steering shaft. The intermediate shaft. So I'm gonna order that. So yeah, that's the only problems I see so far. I'm gonna let you guys know what. You already know the problems. Steering wheel, faded paint, freaking check engine light. The freaking tail light is out because of the freaking check engine light, and there's the airbag light that's on that we don't even know yet because we need a special plug to read it. Yeah. That's everything. No, it's not. What else?
The biggest problem is it's a BMW.
Anyway, listen, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna be having a budget of $2,500 to make this car look good. That doesn't mean the freaking all the maintenance. That's just for like wheels, suspension, body kit, paint, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna have $2,500 to make this car look basically something like this. So yeah, if you guys want to keep on seeing videos of this hunk of junk, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know